In here as soon as possible. You seem pretty eager to talk.
Yeah, got some news.
What's up?
Told my girl some other dude.
With who?
I'll show you.
Damn! Why would she do that?
I don't know, man. Everything in my life is just fucked.
Like what?
There's my grades.
I'm sorry, but this work just isn't acceptable.
And then there's the stuff where I just told you my girl.
I can't believe you.
I always
Maybe
try to have
showed
time
up
for
every
you,
once in a
like-
while. Just once in a while, I would have needed to cheat. You know it's a
Just once in a
two-way
while.
street, right?
All you
It's
just
not
care about
just me.
yourself.
All
That's
you do
really
is
it.
put the blame on me.
I don't blame. Look, all you just care about is just yourself. That's really it. Then the family over here tripping in the fight. And my mom knows I'm trying my hardest. That I'm trying the hardest to, like, make my family proud. I wish my dad was here, but he's deported. I don't know what to do.
I mean, we have no control over that, man. Like, for you to be your own man, you gotta stop moving at your own pace and you gotta focus on you.
School, my girls, and my parents, like, I don't know, it's just stressing me out. I just want things to go back to normal.
You got this, man, and it will. Trust me, it will. Like everything will go back to normal, even better for you, though. Like trust me, you just have to go to this and fight for it. Like fight for everything until you get better. Like trust me, it will.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's good, B?
What's up with you?
Yo, I got a song I gotta record real quick, B.
What's it about?
It's about life situations, what I've been going through recently, so.
Yeah, what I've been going through, you obviously know.
Yeah, I feel it, bro. That's what we come to do music, get it all out.
Yeah, I found this one beat that we could probably do it on.
Oh, really?
I'll record on.
Yo, I know the perfect person I'll put on the song, bro.
For real?
Yeah, his situation just like us.
Yeah. Hey, let's bring him in, actually. Because this song probably might help us get our lives together. Mostly mine.
For real. I agree.
Tired of time. I'm trying not waste no more. I'm getting tired of time. I'm trying to waste no more. I'm tired of wasting time. I'm tired of wasting time. I'm tired of wasting time. I'm trying to change my life. I'm trying to change my life. I'm trying to change.
Hey, how you been since our conversation a week ago?
I took your advice, and I started to put more effort and stuff. My grades were going good. My parents were proud that, I saved a lot of money. I'm also graduating, so I'm also able to graduate. That's good. And, my girl saw me that I'm doing well with myself, my school, and my music and all that. So we're back together.
See, I told you, nothing is impossible with that little effort. So, I'm actually grateful that everything's going good for you, and then keep it up, man. Plus, you be out of high school, so tell me about it,
Right.
man.
For sure.
Alright.